In this video, I am going to show you how you can generate high quality leads for your credit repair business or consultancy using Facebook ads. I will show you the exact step-by-step method that how you can set up your first lead generation campaign for your business. So make sure you hit the like button and subscribe to the channel, and without wasting any time, let's get started. So this is your ads manager dashboard. To create a campaign, click on create. Now select lead because we are creating a lead generation campaign. Click on continue. Select manual leads campaign. So in Facebook ads, there is 3 level. The first one is campaign level, the second one will be the ad set level, and the third one is the ad level. In campaign level, we set up the pricing, budget, and select the objective of the campaign. In ad set, we select the targeting, age, and location. And in the ad set level, we select our ads. So let's set up the campaign level. I'm going to give the name like credit repair. Credit repair. It is a lead generation campaign, and write the date of the campaign when we are going to publish it. So I'm going to publish it tomorrow, so it will be 28 December. Now we are running a financial campaign, so we need to categorize the campaign. So click here and select financial product or service. Select the country where you want to run the ads. For now, I want to run ads in United States. So I'm going to select the United States. Now set the daily budget. In USA, you can set up your ad budget between $15 to $20. So $20 in Indian rupees will be between 1600 to 2000. So I'm going to select here 2000. Click on next. Now we have to set up our ad set level. So the first ad set will be the open targeting. In open targeting, we do not enter any sort of age or interest based targeting. We just let it be open. Select website, maximum number of conversions, conversion events should be leads. Select the date, 28, keep it. Yep, because we are going to give the whole day timing. Do not set the end date. Just edit the location where you want to run your ads. Do not edit any of this part. Select placement, manual placement, uncheck audience network and messenger. In placements, select only stories and reels and feed. Uncheck it and uncheck it. Now click on next. Now we have to set up our ad set level. Here we will select our ad creative, headlines, and the ad copies. So type ad creative 1, that is image ad. Select Facebook page. Set up creative, image ad. Click on media. Click on upload. So here's the ad. Now after uploading the ad, click on next. Keep it original everywhere. Next. Done. Now this is our ad creative. Now here you have to paste your primary text. I have written for you. Select this. Headlines should be the first part of this primary text. So description is optional, but you will put some emojis like checkbox. You can write there 4,400 plus happy customers. The CT will be learn more. So here you have to paste the URL of your landing page or where you want to redirect the audience. Now we have set up our ad set level. Click here, duplicate, make 2 copies of it. Okay, in the first we are going to add a targeting 1. Here you have to edit the age and the interest based targeting. So this is the campaign related to financial services or product. So we do not have option to edit the age or gender. Now we have to add here our targeting. Now in interest based targeting, we are going to add direct keywords like credit card and like that. Click on suggestions. Now you can select the targeting which is relevant to your target audience like loan, financial service and money. And in targeting 2, we can add some more targetings like home loan, home buyer or car enthusiast. Let's try home buyer. Yes, we can add this. Click on suggestions, property finder, real estate investing and investor. Now you have to test out which targeting will work for you. So everything is set up. Now you can click here. Now you can click on publish to publish your ad. So that's how you can generate high quality leads for your credit repair business or consultancy. Subscribe the channel and hit the like button. Thanks for watching.